Hey YouTube, I'm back with another tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing the Aaliyah look. And then Aaliyah inspired look. As you can see, I got my middle part. My brows are already done. And I'm just going to be honest with y'all. I did not get the whole collection. I just feel like I do love Aaliyah. I do love Aaliyah. I love Aaliyah. But I just feel like I'm honestly not going to even wear all of that. Like, you know, I'm not even the stuff that I bought. But I'm not going to wear this most of the time. So, I said, I'm just going to pick what I like. And then, of course, I got the palette. But I'm just going to, I told myself, I'm just going to pick what I like and just go from there. Like, do a look from that. And so this, let me show y'all what I got. So I got the Aaliyah palette. A little small palette. And when I went into MAC, I know I'm a little late, by the way. If anybody trying to throw some shade like, she late, it came out June 21st. I don't know, this is me being self-conscious. Yeah, I'm late. I'm a little late, but it's now or never though. But anyways, yeah, I bought the palette. I just showed you that. I bought one lip liner. I should have bought both the lip liners. I've been regretting that now. But I should have bought both the lip liners. I bought the Aaliyah lip liner called Follow Your Heart. Oops, let's see. Yeah, Follow Your Heart. And then I bought two of her lip glosses. They gave me a little cute poster with my purchase. I just bought the palette, two glosses, and a lip liner. I just honestly felt like I could do a simple, cute look with that. You know, inspired by Aaliyah. You know, she was a legend. I loved her. I did love Aaliyah. I love her. Yeah, that's a little background information on what I bought from MAC. And when I went in the MAC store, the guy told me that the whole collection was inspired by her makeup bag. Well, Aaliyah, but her brother had her makeup bag, still got her makeup bag, and they went through that and they made this collection from her makeup bag. So I just want to just say kudos to MAC for, you know, making this little collection inspired by Aaliyah. I loved it. I just feel like, yeah, I mean, they did that. I mean, I've already used the palette. I do think, let's just get into this video. Okay. So my eyes are, my brows are already prepped. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna prep my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. I use this stuff. Well, I really stopped using it. I honestly use, what's it called? Now I just use concealer to prep my eyes. But I'm prepping my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. And yeah. I wonder how my brows look. Are my brows looking okay? They're a little wide. Okay. Alright. So, my eyes are already prepped. Okay, pull this wig down. Alright, so my eyes are already prepped. Let's get into this palette though. You know, back in the 90s, you know, Aaliyah, back in the day, the makeup game wasn't too just like strong. You know, there was more natural looks. So, you know, it was really inspired by Aaliyah. Like, they didn't rip this. I'm not gonna say rip this. That's not a good term. They really went by the book when it came to her. Like, look, these are the colors. Let's see. Is there any names at the back? No, it's not any. It's not any names. It's not any names. Okay. Oh. Eyeshadow times 9. Okay. Love Smoke, Magic More, Care For You, Created Cooper, That Somebody, Princess of Soul, Deception, Ginger Snap, and Dance in the Dark. So I'm guessing these are the names of the shadows. Yeah, these are the names of the shadows. But when I went to Mac, he was like, you can do 3 looks. A night, a evening. Wait, what did he say? What did he say? A night. This could be like a night look, an evening, and a day look. Something like that. Yeah. But you know, Aaliyah, she was just always, in her videos, it was either natural or real dark. You know? There's a picture right there. It's like an example of, you know, how she did. Here's a natural look. See that natural look? Yep. And then this is a dark look. So, you know, Aaliyah, she switched it up. It was either natural or real dark. You know, she switched it. I'm going to take, alright, y'all. I really want to use a transition color that's not in the palette to, like, kind of give my eyes some melanin. So, I'm going to take Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I know y'all like, she cheating. She can't. But I'm sorry. I'm not going to, like, look. A girl gotta do what she gotta do to make a look a look. I mean, it's still dark though. Let's see. I'm sorry. I just need to add like a little. Oh no, like a little melanin to it. It's just too, what am I trying to say? A little warmth to it. It's just too bloody or something. It's dark looking. I just can't. Just put a little orange in there. Just a little bit, not that much. I'm gonna use this shade. This is the shade that I'm going to use for my lid. I'm going to prep my lid with my concealer. Concealer first. Where you at, concealer? Alright, so now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to kind of like overlap my shadow a little bit. Just a little bit to make it blend more. Yeah. Now I'm just going to apply my foundation and my concealer. And then I'm going to go to my lips. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Better Skin Concealer. And I'm just going to okay, so now I'm done with that. I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York loose powder in medium. And it's called Wine. Gonna put this in the contour line because you know they back in the 90s and all that stuff back in the day, you know, I use blush, so we're gonna use a little blush right here. You see that? Right there, a little on my forehead, yeah. Yeah. We're looking good. Sure. Alright, so my brows are looking a little bit ashy. So I'm just going to fill in some more. Oh, and by the way, the brow dip that I'm using is the Anastasia brow dip, brow pomade, and dark brow. Like, the shadow looks really basic, so I'm gonna go in with the purple. I don't know, I'm just not feeling this. I don't want it to be pop a little bit. Don't y'all think it should pop? I'm gonna put this purple color on my like lower lash line. And I'm just gonna like, yeah, make that pop a little bit. Cause we need to pop, hunty. Yeah. Y'all, like, comment, and by the way, comment your favorite Aaliyah song. Like, my favorite Aaliyah song is Come Over, I Don't Wanna, and then 1 in a Million. Like, that'll fit forever. And then, of course, Rock the Boat, because that was, like, literally the last song. So, yeah. Yeah. Comment your favorite Aaliyah. Say I really wanna come see ya. Really wanna come and see ya. Don't you worry about a thing. I just wanted to hold you. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my. This is a, I don't know, just a little dark lip pencil. I literally should have. I regret not getting it. They were all out, and I was too lazy to go to another one. This is Brooklyn Born, and this is Lily's Motor City. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Lily's Motor City like that. But honestly, I'm not gonna even lie, y'all. I do love. Okay, it's a little too pigmented, but we're gonna go in the center with Brooklyn Born, and we're gonna kind of like gloss it out a little bit. Look ombre. See a little ombre effect I just did. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, hunty. Oh, and one more thing, let me put my favorite makeup artist out there. I use the Japanese Faces Laura Glow. It's really good, y'all. And he uses it on Tiana Taylor like all the time. And Tiana Taylor highlight be popping. So I'm just gonna put a little on my nose to get like my nose that like glossy look. Yeah, if that makes sense. But check him out, Japanese Faces. He's a really good makeup artist, and I love him. And hopefully one day he can do my makeup too. Yes, hunty. I want to thank you all for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all next time.